Hello, how you doing? It's good to have you back once again today. You're welcome once again to my channel, Dozier Talbot, and it's still me, Dozier. So, in this very short video today, we'll be talking about something very important. We'll be talking about why you're not receiving emails in your inbox in Gmail, why you're not receiving emails in your inbox in Gmail. So, if you've not seen my video, if you've not seen my video, how to create an email, the step-by-step process to creating an email, you may want to click the notification up or click the description below. You will find the link to that video to know how to create a Gmail. So once, maybe sometimes you get a mail, but it's not in your inbox, or you notice that all of a sudden your email box is wiped totally and you can't explain what happened. That is simply what I'm going to explain to us in this video, what could likely be the problem. So, hang on with me as we go further, as I take you to my screen. Yes, we are in the inbox of the email we created in the last video. If you've been following my email series, we created email. Like I said, you can watch the video at the description or at the top of this video. So let's continue. So this is the primary inbox, but I want you people to understand something. When you come to Gmail has different categories, different mail boxes, different sections where your mails could drop. So if you look now, we are highlighted at primary, and we've received our very first email in this email, which is more like a welcome email from Gmail. Okay, here it is. This is the first email from Gmail, a welcome email, guys. So this is how it will normally look like when you've created an account or a Gmail account. So this is usually how it comes for you. This is how it will come for you. So this is for the inbox, which is categorized, which is named primary email. So there's another section of email of the Gmail, which is promotions. These are where, okay, we are seeing promotions related ads in the promotion sections. Promotion email is for those websites that you've subscribed earlier on. Maybe they are doing a follow-up or a warm-up email. They are sending you further emails to remind you of their product or certain services or certain subscription that you've not subscribed to, or you've left. So most likely in some cases, those mails will come to your promotion inbox. Those are where those Gmail will just automatically funnel them to those promotions. Then there's another category, the third category, this in the display here, that is socials. So here in the socials, these are where maybe if I have used this particular Gmail account to sign up with Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, and the other social media sites, and they are sending me notifications, and I'm receiving notifications of the activities happening in my account. These are likely, and this is where it would be dropping, so long as Gmail is concerned. In most cases, it will drop here. So, but aside this, there are other aspects of Gmail which I'm going to show you soon. We look at this part of Gmail, that is if you're logging in on your desktop with your computer. This is how you would you see these sections. You see start. I'm going to explain all this in subsequent videos. This is sent for the images, for emails that you've sent. This is draft for a draft. More details on this in my subsequent videos. So let me proceed further to show us. So there is a very important part of the mail I'm going to explain to us that we should always have the habit of checking, because this primary email you can see, promotions you can see, social you can see, but this aspect of the mail you need to search for it and find it. And the reason why you need to always check it regularly is that sometimes the very important mails you receive drop here. So the very important mails you receive drop here, and you wouldn't want to miss out on that. And I'm going to, once I open here, because this is still a new email, my spam account would be empty because I have not used this email I've not registered this email yet, maybe while creating an account online or signing up on any website or signing up to any service. I've not used it, or applying for a certain kind of offers or jobs. I've not used this email. That is why this spam is empty. So sometimes you send many applications for different things. Maybe you're a freelancer, maybe you're a job seeker, maybe you're a contractor, or whatever your profession may be, and you send out emails, or you send out proposals using particular email, and it seems like all the people you've contacted, no one is getting back to you. So most of these emails, sometimes that's why, and many people do not have the habit of checking their spam. So I believe after watching this video today, you would learn how to check all sections of your email, especially when you are expecting something, especially when you've done many sign-ups or applications, or forwarded applications or proposals or whatever it might be to different organizations at some point or another. So why some of the Gmail reads some of these emails they would send to you as spams. Now the reason why it's spam is the way Gmail filters them. Gmail filters them is assumed that, okay, maybe these services are unauthorized services that are trying to just poke you. So Gmail filters most of custom emails. I mean emails that are created in a business name. For instance, for my blog doziehub.com, I have an email, dozier@doziehub.com. This is a custom email that is tailored to doziehub.com. So once this kind of emails, so in most cases, once I send an email with this, my inbox, doziehub, once I send an email from dozier@doziehub.com, in most cases, especially if it's the first time, the email will sense this email as a spam, and especially if it contains a promotional kind of content. But in most cases, custom emails normally come to your spam box. So that is why you may likely not see this email in your inbox in Gmail. That's why you may not find some of this email in your inbox, in your primary inbox. So what you can do is I'll show us in my subsequent video how you can check your settings to know the setting of your email, and how you can set your email to filter some messages to want to send them where you want to send them. So another factor is maybe you've signed up for some service at some point, and when you sign out or when you're no longer interested, sometimes the email does not necessarily stop coming. It keeps coming, but once they keep coming, they will drop in your spam box. So what have you learned today in this video? You've learned that in addition to your primary inbox or your promotions or your social inbox, develop the habit of checking your spam box so that you don't have to miss out on some certain opportunities and offers that comes your way. So if you like this video, if you've learned something new in this video, I would like you to give a thumbs up to this video, and also share it with your community. Sometimes there are communities we belong to, they don't have this knowledge, so you don't want to get this knowledge and keep it to yourself. I want you to also share the link of this video to many people that needs to see this video. And also, if you would like to learn more on how gadgets or internet services or internet products or websites and devices and gadgets, when I mention devices, I mean the laptop and your phone, how they functions and how applications functions. If those are the kind of things that interest you, why not subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of my latest video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.